Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Huria. What's your name?
My name is Hifsa.
Ifsa, where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. What about you?
I am also from Pakistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Islamabad and you?
I live in Karachi.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old. You?
I am 11 years old. What do you do?
I am student. What about you?
I am also student.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister and brother. What about you?
I have one elder sister and one brother.
Great. Do you like travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love biryani. What's yours?
I really like pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in free time?
I like to do painting.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Urdu and Punjabi.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Urdu and Punjabi. What is your favorite season?
I love summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Quran.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Pakistani foods.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I read books.
Have a wonderful day.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.